In a surprising move that set the tech world abuzz, Google has opened access to its advanced Veo 3 AI video generation technology to all users this weekend, completely free of charge. This marks the first time the company's premium video creation tool has been available beyond paid subscribers, representing a significant moment for both AI accessibility and Google's strategic positioning in the competitive generative AI market. Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced this limited-time offer on Friday, giving users until 10 p.m. Pacific Time this Sunday to create AI-generated videos through the Gemini app without any cost. The weekend promotion allows free users to generate up to 3 8-second video clips complete with synchronized audio, including dialogue, sound effects, and background music. Pichai enthusiastically wrote on X, "Veo 3 is now free for the weekend for everyone to try. Can't wait to see what you'll create." Behind this generous offer lies a sophisticated strategic testing operation. Google's decision to temporarily waive subscription requirements appears designed to accomplish two key objectives: stress testing its infrastructure while dramatically expanding the user base for its most ambitious media tool. Josh Woodward, head of Gemini and Google Labs, had teasingly hinted at the move Thursday, posting that his team was setting up a load of TPUs and warming them up, a reference to Google's specialized AI processing units needed to handle video generation at scale. The technical details give access to Veo 3 Fast, a speed-optimized version that generates content twice as quickly as the standard model while maintaining 720p resolution. This is particularly impressive when you consider that normally Veo 3 access requires a Google AI Pro subscription costing $19.99 monthly, with subscribers receiving just 3 daily video generations. Veo 3, launched at Google I/O in May, distinguishes itself from competitors by generating both video and audio simultaneously, a significant technical achievement. It can create cinematic sequences, animated shorts, and storyboards with realistic physics and lip synchronization. Since its launch, users have generated over 40 million videos across Google's platforms, creating such substantial demand that DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis previously described the launch surge as nearly melting our wonderful TPUs. Access and limitations. For those eager to try this technology, free users can access the service through the Gemini mobile app or web interface by selecting the video generation option. It's important to note that each generated clip includes visible watermarking and SynthID digital identification to indicate AI origin, a responsible approach to transparency in AI-generated content. This promotion ends at 10 p.m. Pacific Time Sunday, after which Veo 3 access returns to paid subscription tiers. Google has not indicated whether similar free access periods might be offered in the future, making this weekend a unique opportunity for creators, curious technophiles, and AI enthusiasts to experience cutting-edge video generation technology that's typically behind a paywall. The move represents not just a generous giveaway, but a strategic test of infrastructure, a user acquisition play, and a demonstration of Google's advancing capabilities in the increasingly competitive AI video generation space.